Yeah, Lily, good start. Oh! Damn! Yeah! Oh. Yes! Put the runs on the board. One more run. They still haven't put the second run up because they have no brains in their head, scoreboard operator. Now there's 0, that's great. So we didn't score at all. Nice job, scoreboard operator. Yes! Finally they get it just now, about a minute and a half after. No, I'm like 2 minutes. There he goes. Yeah! He'll definitely get 40 stolen bases. The home run's gonna be tough. No! Nice try, Andre. Damn it! Uribe, get him in the minors instantly. Go! Yes! ETO! Man, I got a bad shot of that.
Don't step on now. Look at that, it's going to come back.
They're going to attack you, what's up?
Yeah. Go! Yeah! Second home run for Ethiopia! Yes! What a great way to go into the All-Star game! 7 home runs for the year wasn't looking good. Now 9's looking decent. Got to get him on fire in the second half. 4 straight wins to close out the first half. Yes! 4-1. They haven't put it up there yet, but it's 4-1. There's a lady in a cape here. She just sat down. She got a cape and these blue gloves. Yeah! Yeah, Loney. All right, Dodgers end the second half with 4 straight wins, and we're not in last place. How about that? 4-1 Dodgers. I'm alone again today. No deep left, no Dr. Andre, no some fan. Nobody, and there's nobody down here. Cool zone though, that's back.